Hey everybody, Double P here and welcome back. So in today's video, what we're going to be going over is the AMD trade. Today is Tuesday, November the 9th. So if you watched yesterday's video, you saw how I was a little bit shocked that I missed a big gigantic move on AMD. AMD moved like about $13, $14 in one day. And it was all in the news that they got a deal with Facebook and Microsoft was going to be using their chips. So AMD just took off. And I got out early. And the second I got out, the stock just ripped. So I was a little bit in shock. I was like, oh my God. So today I was poised and my members were poised today to be able to make sure one way or another, we were going to get AMD today. So in today's trade, let me go over here. Okay, obviously I got to draw my box. So let me come over here and draw the box. Oh, first of all, hold on a second. So this is my full account right here. So forgive me if I'm looking at the screens that I'm talking to you. We're live trading. This was the live trade. Here's my account. It's a full margin account. I got to blur out my account information. I don't want to violate my terms of services with my brokerage. See the time there, November 9th. It's 10:30. Oh, forgive me there. Why did it say partially delayed data? No problem. Click on it there. Stock is in real time. Equity options is in real time. So open it up. MX, New York Stock Exchange, NASDAQ, all real-time feeds. Equity options, real-time. Futures and futures, I don't trade it. Don't need the feeds on for it for this account. Forex, real-time. Other equities is real-time. So it's all real-time data there, real-time feeds. So let me come over here. I'm going to have to draw the box so that you guys see it. Always, always, always draw the box. So let me always, always, always draw the box for you. So you see what we're doing here. 2 day, 5 minute. All right. So let's open this up a little bit so that you see it there. And we'll move this over here like this. Okay, let me get my trusty tools. Price action. All right, so the box is the last hour of the trading session for yesterday. That's what we look at. We look at the high. So let's see here. The high would have been, let's look at the low. The low is right here. That's the low. Let's look at the high. Sometimes the high and the low could be the 200 or the 20. So as it stands right now, that's the high. And then what did it close at? AMD closed at 150.64. So 150.64. So right around there. And now we get to draw our box. So let me draw the box. The box is drawn. Let me come over here. So we know exactly. Let me open up the box here for you. There. So the box is drawn. Let's go on the 5-minute chart for today. So the box is drawn. So now your next question, our next step is, well, what do we do? Well, we wait for NVIDIA to open. Let me move this out of the way. We wait for NVIDIA to open. And when it opens, where does it open? Well, let me push this down here. Let me open this up right here so that you can see it's a little bit clearer. So here's where we open up. Remember what we say, we don't take a position inside of this box. Because if we take a position inside of this box, this could be the range bound box trade. We don't want to trade in a range. So we wait, right? So that's exactly what I did. I waited. But then what I did is I saw these three gigantic massive candles, right? I call these big ass candles, right? Look at them right here. Here's one. That's on a 5-minute chart. Here's two. And then here's three. Look at the size of these big ass red candles. So what I do is we wait. And if you're wondering, this is the 20. You see it's going right down. It's hugging it. And this is the 200, right? That's all I have. And I have Fibonacci and I have my box. So that's the strategy. So remember what I said. Forgive me for the cough there. We enter the setup on a 5-minute and we trade on the 1 minute. So let's drop down to the 1 minute so you see what's going on. And let me see if I can blow this up a little bit better for you so that you see what's happening. All right? So, and don't worry, I'm going to remove all the Fibonacci here for you so that you get a little bit clearer action. But I just wanted to go through it with you. So look at what happens here. Look at what happens. So let me see when I took my position. Let's come over here to my fill. So my fill is 942 and 956. I'm out. So 942, 956. Pretty much doubled my money. So 942. So on 942, this is the selling pressure candle. This is a hammer with a long tail, but it's a selling pressure. And as you see, the downward trend is happening anyways. This is a staircase downward trend. All right, so 942, that's the position we took. That's the trade. That's the entry point. And what was it? 1050, I forget what it was there. Let me see. Let me come over here. 956. So 956, we're out. So let's see 956. Right there. See this inverted hammer with buying pressure? After we crushed the lows, that's when I got out. Right in that candle right there, right? And then you see what happens after that. It dropped again. I could have stayed in the trade. Always want to stay in the trade for as long as the trade is developing. But with the amount of buying pressure and the amount that I already made, I was like, you know what? I'm good. I'm good to get out of the trade, right? And as you can see here, where are we now? In the video, AMD, right? Ripped back up. So I knew, and I mapped this out with Fibonacci, that's it. It's time for me to leave. Never want to overstay your welcome, right? And this was I could have stayed in for this one right here, way more profit, but then again, I would have been up in here losing some money. So I got in and got out right here in this perfect timing on this candle, right under the 20 as well. As you can see it right there, time to get out. And so you can see, what did we do today? So let's come over here. We'll go over here so that you can see today was a good $13,250 on the trade for my guys. And I sent out the trade to my guys. Let me see, you know what? Give me a quick second here. I'm going to log into my text account so that you can see I sent out a trade to my Platinum Traders beta testers group. Just give me a second. I got to pause this for a quick second. All right, sorry about that. I just had to grab my text alert that I sent out to my guys so that you can see it. So I had to go into my text alert software that I use. So here you see the trade right here today, right? November 9th. You see the time I sent it out, 9:41. Platinum Traders, a day trade, November 12th, 21, AMD, 150 strike puts, $3.35 put contract. Told my guys to get 10 contracts. They probably should have got a whole bunch more. looking for 30% profit, tight 10% stop loss on this one right here, as you can see it. And then I sent them out the exit out at 9:57 a.m. Told them I was out of the trade. Sold to close, 150 strike put, 13,250 profit. I'm out of this trade. And I always tell them, you can stay in the trade if you want, or you can get out. I can't tell people when to get in and out of a trade. All I can do is tell them that when I'm making the positions, I'm making the movements, it's up to them. They can either follow me or they don't follow me. It's totally up to them. I cannot give you any financial advice. I can't give you any financial advice. I can't give you any investment advice. I can't give you any taxation advice. I can't give you any stock advice. All I can tell you is this is my personal journey that I'm going on, and if you want to be a part of it, somewhere on this video right there, you're going to see a link to my site, to the left or to the right, up or down. Hit that link, come on over to my site. You can be a member of the Platinum Traders Beta Testers group, and that's it. From day one, I tell everybody, I can't give you any advice. I can't give you any financial. I'm not licensed or certified or accredited. I don't have my Series 7s or my Series 33 or any of those licenses with the SEC, and I fully lay it all out there on my website. This is my own personal journey and what I'm doing. You can choose to follow me or you can choose not to follow me. It's totally your call. So as you see, I have a lot of people that follow me. And they like they like the analysis of the markets. They like the fundamentals. They like how I build everything out. So this is all for you, right? All this on this channel is free. I don't charge for it, right? If you want to become a member, then that's a different story. But all these trades I do every day, this is for you, right? I give you everything and I tell you exactly how I'm trading. So you see exactly my trading style, exactly what I'm doing. So it all depends on what you guys want to do. So that being said, I got to cut this video off because it's getting a little bit too long. So that was, let me get rid of the Fibonacci because I did say I was going to get rid of the Fibonacci for you there so you can see a little bit more clear. So this is how I trade, right? Now, like I said before, we got the 200, we got the 20, we got rate of change because I use rate of change because I've got something going on here with my 200 and I got something going on here with my 20 that I don't kind of want to disclose. So I have everything all color coded how I want it. And, I got a couple other things that are kind of proprietary to what I do, but I give you the overall foundation and the overall trade logic. It's all algorithmic based. It's quant driven. There's zero emotion. I just go with this. I just go with the statistics. I go with the analysis. I go with the statistics, and I go with the trend. Sold AMD today. I shorted it because I sold into the news. End of story. So my name is Double P. I'll see you in tomorrow's video if I trade tomorrow, or I'll see you in the other zone. Take care, everybody.